Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today we have the brand new set release from Konami, Ghosts of the Past. As you can see, we got 4 boxes here, and I also have 2 dealer displays that we can go into as well. So hopefully we can get something cool. I'm hoping to get a couple of copies of Evenly Matched, as I don't currently have any. And of course, the Ghost Rares would be amazing. So find a way to effectively crack into these boxes, because the packs are a little fixed in there. And there we go. 3 packs: Dark Magician, Lackluster, and Firewall. Start with Firewall. Lava Volcano Handmade, Fairy Tale Tales, Starry Night, Hieratic Dragon King Atom, and Dragoon Gram. And then we have a Pudding Cess, a Winder, Phalanx, Mars Change as an Ice Pool, Hell Shadol Hollow. I'm surprised they put Hell Shadol on there. And our final pack: Royal Prison, Backup Secretary, Metal Foes Gold Driver, Time Thief Flyback, Thestalos the Mega Monarch. So that was our first box of Ghost of the Past. We have 10 in our 2 dealer displays and 3 more here, so have a little ways to go before we see the... Oh, I see how these open. I've been a fool. That was much easier on the same time. A Redoer, Danger Thunderbird, Miracle Synchro Fusion, and an Adjuster. Dolce Citadel, Salamangreat Falco, Metal Fusion, and Sunvine Thrasher for the Sun Avalon Sunvine archetype. Oh, what do we have next up? Another Time Thief, Perpetua, Hieratic Seal, Astel, Sunvine Maiden. So nothing amazing so far. We got a few packs to crack into for our Sunday supplement special. Let's see what our next one has for us. I guess a Starry Night Blast, an Atem, a Redoer, a Thunderbird. Saw a lot of the same cards there. Metal Foes Counter, Salamangreat Falco, and a Sun Avalon Link. And Xyz Burst. Decent reprint. Your Black Comet Dragon. Nothing amazing. That's the most efficient way to get into one of these. We are on the last of our loose boxes. I just thought, seeing as it's the flavour of the month, get a few loose boxes as well, as they were on the shelf. Buster Dragon is nice. Got a Sun Link. Ooh, now this is interesting. They finally gave this a proper hollow printing. I'll definitely keep this aside. This is one of my favourite monsters, and I think its best printing was only a rare. An Update Jammer, upside down. It's a nice holo upgrade as well. Cosmo Dark Lady, salvage is decent as well. And another Hell Shadow. I'm really happy with that Hyozenru. Alright, let's crack into the first of our dealer displays. Retrieve our 5 boxes. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that Hyozenru. That is a freezy weezy treat as far as I'm concerned. May not be big money in the set, but I've always wanted a holo copy of that card, and we finally have one. It's not secret, it deserved a secret. It's a Crystal Dragon, it deserved a secret rare. But nevertheless, I'll take an Ultra. It's like Mika Nazubi Oyama, or whatever it's called, from Legendary Collection Kaiba. So nothing major in the first box. Still haven't got a copy of Evenly Matched yet. Get in there. Retrieve our 3 packs. Start with the Dark Magician. Maybe there's a Dark Magician inside for us. Alas, there was not. It's nice that they're giving some holo upgrades though to some vanilla cards that didn't get them, that have got some artwork that's worthy of it, I would say. Nothing major. Another Phalanx, another Mask Change. Shooting Star Dragon, TGEX. And next box. And the pack shall yield the following: Arjima Country, Mask Change 2, and another Sun Avalon. Dark Requiem, Cosmo Tin Can. Ooh, I could do with a copy of this. I lost my copy. That's nice. And that wraps us up there. And then next pack, Artbrave Dragon's a decent reprint. So is Fogblade and another Thestalos. Yeah. Start with this one for a change, rather than the first one off the top. Recover. Not even an evenly matched so far. Not asking for the big ghost rares. I know that's rare, to quote Konami, but an evenly matched would be nice. I was hoping to get 2. Start BLS. Oh, it's finally got an ultra rare print. I'm so happy this has got a holo printing. Fantastic. I might pop this in my Adamancipator deck. It's a handy little extender. And the fact that it was only ever a common, I kind of shied away from it. Mine Mole, that's kind of cute. E-Telling, the first one of those we've pulled. Time Thief Concordia, the Loki, the Varvel Dragon, and another Hell Shadow. Next up, ooh, Seiyaru. I have the secret rare DDS, but it's nice to have an ultra rare copy. And then our final box. So here we go, 5 more. We are on the home straight. Just get that little nip there. There we go. Here's your contents, there we go. Start with a BLS. Artifact. Dragoonie Legatus. Kind of miscut there, marginally. And a Dark Magician pack. Salamangreat Fell. Recover, a Remus, come on, a Ghost Rare or an evenly matched or two. Nothing yet. A Fireball Dragon. I tell you, the Megatins better be amazing this year, because this isn't the greatest reprint set. Yes, I got a few cool holo upgrades and ancient stuff that hasn't had a reprint, but in all seriousness, the set is a little lackluster in my opinion. I got some because I like cracking packs and sharing it with you guys. And I know sealed stuff, if you want to keep it sealed, it's probably going to go up in value. So it's worth probably an investment standpoint from that perspective. But from anything outside of that, unless you're just having a bit of fun like me, this doesn't hold up to March reprint sets of the past. I mean, they pushed it back without giving us the set list, and then this is the set that we get. I don't know, just it isn't the best. I mean, we've opened getting on for 13 of these, and we haven't seen one copy of evenly matched. Like, if you're going to make that the chase card of the set, and you're not short printing anymore. With the Gigantes, that's cool. So yeah, we're just 4 packs to go. I don't think we're going to get anything too freezy weezy out of this. Nonetheless, it has been enjoyable. Another Seiyaru. And our last box. We get that Ghost Rare. I don't think we're getting that Ghost Rare. Last pack, last chance. Sling at a gun, shoot from the hip. Get nothing in the pack. I can't believe we didn't pull a single evenly matched. That was a bit of a dud opening, not gonna lie. Could have been a lot worse, but thank you for watching. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And tune in next time for some more freezy weezy treats and pack openings on INTD TV. Signing off.